Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. The Rideshare Hub is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money. That's what our goal and mission is. And today's video, we're talking about a brand new company that is now giving drivers paid time off. This is absolutely awesome. This is what we've been wishing for this whole time. This is what drivers have been wishing for this whole time, and not only Uber and Lyft drivers, but other gig workers too. Instacart, DoorDash, Postmates. So if you know anybody, if you're watching this video and you have any friends who drive for any of these apps, who are gig workers, please do me a simple favor and share this video with them. I would really appreciate that, so they can know how to get paid time off as well. So before I hop into what this company is, I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's gonna be the first link in the description. If you sign up with my link, you will get 30 days free of this service, which will unlock that paid time off, sick leave, protection benefits, and everything else that a gig worker or an independent contractor might need. So again, before you sign up, make sure to use my link so you unlock that 30 days for free. It's basically a 30-day free trial. You still have to input your credit card, sign up and everything, but it's a free trial. It's just like Netflix, Amazon, whatever. You get 30 days for free to test it out. You can cancel or pause at any time. It's, no annual contracts, none of that. So anyways, let's get right into it. So again, in order to sign up, all you gotta do is go to the Rideshare Hub, click on one of my videos, go into the description, and then sign up. It says, get 30 days of Cover for free. Get funds, benefits, and protection for Uber and Lyft drivers, plus a lawyer to get your account reactivated. So if you ever do get deactivated, you can get your account back. You can try to, at least. Here we go. Click on this link here, and once you open it, it'll say get 30 days for free with this gift. For Cover, this is what the company is called, Cover, whatever. You receive 1 month of free membership from Rideshare Hub. Accept my gift accepted, it'll be applied automatically at checkout. Awesome. So, you can just exit out here, whatever. And then check this, Cover replaces 80% of your lost income when you can't work. 24/7 telehealth service for you and your family. So, if you're a parent watching this and you have a kid who ever gets sick, you can call them up any time of the day and ask them questions. Your kid has a fever, your kid I don't know, has symptoms of coronavirus, I don't know, you can call them up and get help, and that could be a great resource. I know, I'm not gonna get into details about my personal life, but I have a relatives who have really young babies, and sometimes why does that sound so weird? Sometimes they need to call up, a health professional to get medical advice when their kid's screaming, non-stop screaming, crying at 2 a.m. What are they gonna do? Call up their doctor? No, their doctor's probably sleeping. This could be a great alternative, 24/7. Legal consultation to protect, like these people know, how to help you. Obviously, if you have your broken leg, you probably want to go to the hospital instead. You probably don't want to call up telehealth, but hey, it's a good thing to have. Legal consultation to protect you. Free hurdler premium. That's okay. I mean, it's a free mileage tracker that's included with it. But the good thing that I want to talk about is this paid time off, because hey, that's pretty awesome. Sick leave, 24/7 health service, legal protection, automatic mileage tracking, all the benefits and perks you need in one membership, starting at $7 a month. Or if you use my link, 30 days for free. These are all the company. Okay, I did want to also prove to you guys, because some people have been asking. I did get somebody who said, I did put in for a sick day today. I was out for about 5 hours on app and was feeling off, decided to call it an early day. I ground out 30 rides in my market yesterday. I go, oh, sick, blah, 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 whatever. I go, sick day with Cover. He goes, yep, did they send you money? I just submitted it within the hour. It was at 7:25 p.m. And then I go, okay, cool, let me know. He goes, wire transfer hit. That was at 8:24 a.m. I go, how much? $300. He got $300 from Cover. That was pretty awesome. You got a wire transfer literally at 8:24 a.m. So within 13 hours, literally almost 13 hours later, 14, whatever. So that was pretty sweet. But the income guarantee, so the sick leave, let's check out their sick leave. If you don't feel well, Cover allows you to borrow from your future self up to $300 so you can focus on getting better. I'm pretty sure that's what he did. This is a good one. Review your benefits. Cover replaces 80% of your lost income when you can't work due to hospitalization, temporary account deactivation, or post-collision repairs. This is your money and you don't have to pay it back. You don't have to pay it back, guys. That's awesome. 24/7 health, tax, legal, bookkeeping, all that stuff. Pay time off when you need it. When you can't drive, Cove replaces 80% of your lost income. So the way it works, guys, is you pay the you know, the amount. You can get up to 31 days of protection. 31 days of protection. So you pay a certain amount into it, and the way it works is you got so many people paying in, and then when one of the persons, you know, needs, you know, if you need up to 30 days off or whatever, if you get into a car accident or whatever, you get your income replaced, 80% of it. So that's the way it works. So you're basically paying into it. It's like a whole big Cover community. Everyone's, you know, pitching in, blah, 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 whatever. Everyone's pitching in money, and then whenever you need time off, you know, you get it. So it's almost like, I don't want to say like, yeah, I don't know. It's really cool. I haven't heard of anything like this, but the Rideshare Guy has talked about it. They did a whole video on them, and they mentioned him in another video. I think, don't quote me on that, but I think they're on his podcast as well. Oh yeah, and they wrote a blog about this company. This company was also went through the same accelerator program as Cargo. You guys know the company that partnered with Uber to put in the food snacks in the car, and then they do you guys see those cars that drive around with those advertisement digital things on top of the car. That's Cargo. So this company is like legit. They were in the same, I think it's the accelerator or startup program as them. And then Rideshare Professor has talked about them. Dustin is Driving has talked about them. Rideshare Revolution has talked about them. You know, this company is awesome. So anyways, definitely hop on it and use my link down below. And again, you guys see they're doing same-day wire transfers. So it's not gonna be like Uber where you have to wait 3-4 weeks and you gotta talk to Uber support all day long. You know, they're good. They realize that drivers need money quickly. That's how we work, you know. We want to do same-day cash out transfers. That's fine. They got you. So yeah, use my link down below to get 30 days for free. You know, test it out, see if you like it, and then you can see if you want to keep doing it. I don't see why you wouldn't. This is such a great deal. Up to 31 days of coverage. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys soon, and yeah, have a great and amazing day. Later, guys. Peace.